In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter transactions in Xero. Now, depending on which type of transaction you want to enter, there's a few ways to do this, and I'm going to show you some of the most common ones. Now, the first one is going to be just like daily bank transactions, where you're spending or receiving money. So you want to go to accounting up top, and you want to click on bank accounts. In here, you can of course find your bank account, and then you want to click on the three dots and click on either spend or receive money. Okay, of course you can transfer as well. I'm just going to click on spend money right now, and then you have to basically fill in the details, like over here, for example, to who you did this payment or transaction. So I'm going to click on tutorial sample. You can of course select the customer, the date, the reference over here, and then of course if it was paid by check, you can click on here, and this is where you can put in your items, you can put in descriptions and stuff like that. Okay, so that's essentially the first thing you have to do if you want to, of course, enter transactions, and then you can just click on save, and that's essentially all you have to do. Now, of course, right now I haven't really filled this out, that's why it's giving errors, but of course, yeah, you get the point. What you have to do here, it's gonna give you the notifications in case you're missing something. In my case, I would have to just set the tax over here. I'm gonna set it like this, and then the account over here, for example, click on save, and it's going to go through perfectly just like that. Okay, now that's how to enter transactions for daily bank transactions. Then if you want to add customer invoices, you can of course use invoices for sales on credit, where you need to track outstanding money. So you can click on plus top right and create an invoice just like this. And you can also track money your business owes to vendors or supplies using bills. So you can go to plus and then bill, and then of course here you can create a new bill. And yeah, that's essentially how you can do it. Now, of course, I've mentioned earlier, you can also transfer between accounts. So if you are moving money between your own business bank accounts or to a petty cash account, you can go to accounting, bank accounts, then you want to find your bank account over here, and you can just go and click on here and do transfer money, and that's going to work. Okay, so that's basically how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.